Hello everyone, from Tony the Scargos. Today I'm here to try a little game with you. That is Viro Move. It is a fitness game for virtual reality. And you know that I'm developing as well a fitness game for VR. It's called It Motion Reloaded. So I was very curious to try this game. The promise is to mix Beat Saber, Box VR, and all these kind of games. So I tried it yesterday. I want just to replay it with you to make my comments on this game. Now I'm starting it on Steam. There is a free demo that you can download on Steam, so you can try it yourself. You can't play it forever. You have some coins that you can try the game for, so you can try it like 10 times. And after that, the demo is over. So that's a true pity, but it's enough to evaluate the game. So again, this is a fitness game, and now it is starting. Now this is a disclaimer. Yeah, don't worry, it's all okay. As you can see, I have 5 credits less for the challenges. It is like you can play a tutorial, you can challenge yourself with a very difficult level, and they have the playlist with like there are some kind of fitness training that you can play. I want to show you for instance, the challenges. The color challenges, I think, because they are very difficult. I have tried all these levels, and personally I found them very difficult to be played. So I don't know if this has been the best idea for a demo, because it's true this is very challenging, and so it's good you want to challenge yourself, but at the same time the game can appear too difficult. I want to show you the Weapon Master. It is the kind of play that lets you see everything, so all the modes together. I will play the tutorial also with you. It's a bit boring, but this way you can understand how is the game. So this Weapon Master means I can play with all the kind of type of games.
Tutorial. Main objective here is to crash the orbs with your gloves.
So boxing.
Every orb you miss takes some of your health.
Bam.
Every time you earn points,
very similar to Box VR.
Now try to hit orbs harder. With harder hits, you'll get more points.
Okay.
Well done. Use right hand to hit the blue orbs and left to hit the orange one.
Okay,
Good job.
that's like Box VR, but it's weird because you can see my gloves, they have not colors. So if I forgot to use the right hand, I can't see it. I have to look next year below the gloves, and that's in my opinion is not good for usability.
Nice.
But once you master the game, maybe you don't need to always see the colors.
Good.
So classical
Nice. Remember
blocking element.
moving. The move indicator on the left shows your movement multiplier.
And then I have to move just to have maximization.
Try to move more to maximize move multiplier.
Okay, now walls.
Watch out for the walls. Dodge them by stepping to the sides or squatting.
So very similar to Box VR, with the graphics that is different. Personally, I love this graphic. It's very well made. I love the environment. A bit fantasy. In fact, also the swords. This is the Beat Saber mode. Are a bit more fantasy-like.
Cutting targets down. Use your sword to slice the orb. Every orb you miss takes some of your health.
Oh, okay. So, but the problem is that
very well.
I tried this game before. Also, my colleague has tried it. And it's like the swords are not well positioned, at least for these Oculus controllers. It's easy to miss some kind of enemies.
These are the energy.
And also the sensation of cutting is not that natural, that good. With Beat Saber is far better in my opinion.
Remember to keep moving. The move indicator on the
so I was to move like an idiot in any case.
The more points you get. Try to move more to move multiplier.
Okay.
Perfect.
Walls.
Watch out for the walls. Dodge them by stepping to the side.
Okay.
If an obstacle hits you, it takes some of your health.
Okay, now Thermal shooting. Bam, 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 bam. I can't shoot that much, otherwise the guns overheat. I can't shoot anymore. Cool.
Wait for the marker to appear. That means the target is ready to be shot.
Don't tell me what I have to do.
Aim and pull the trigger to shoot. Every drone you don't destroy takes some of your health.
Bam.
Every time you earn points, your health recovers.
Bam.
Good. Keep going. Try to shoot the drones when the boxes line up perfectly. Such shots are perfect and will generate maximum points.
Okay, so
Great job.
you have to master all the rules. There are lots of mechanics to learn, and that can be a problem for new guys. I will tell you later my full impressions. So dodging, in all layers you have to kill stuff and dodge other stuff. So the only different thing is how to destroy the enemies. Again, the movement multiplier. Yeah, more. Okay, so this way, because you don't have to shoot them, you have to take them.
Good.
Okay, now there is the fun stuff. There is a way of playing that I've chosen now that you have to play with all the weapons.
In this tutorial, you will need to change weapons during the game. Place hands behind your head and pull triggers to get
swords. So if you try this game for the first time, you can't just get one weapon with your hand. You have to use both. So boxing gloves.
Stretch your arms out in front of you and pull both triggers to activate your guns.
Bam, 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 my guns. So,
take your
boxing
guns
gloves.
One more time.
Guns.
Each weapon destroys a particular kind of target. Find the correct weapon for each target and destroy it.
So, swords. As you can see, it's not very good with swords. My colleague has the same problem.
Perfect.
So you have to understand what is the kind of weapon, use it.
Nice one.
No. Okay. Okay.
Well.
Bam.
Well done. Perfect.
Okay. Okay, so now I can really play the level.
Weapon master.
And you will see that it's very complicated. I'm not very good at this game. So you have to understand the correct weapon. So as you can see, these levels on the demo, but they are not super easy. You have to move a lot in this game.
Sword. Boxing.
Damn.
Shooting. Boxing.
So boxing again. Omega combo. Wow.
Too slow. Sword.
Too many things to take.
Boxing. Wrong hand.
So one hand, but I can't see the correct color.
Wrong hand. Sword.
Okay, my PC is all okay, don't worry.
Boxing. Sword. Shooting. Sword.
Okay. Mega combo.
You'll be back.
Okay, so this is one level that you can find the demo. So 5,000 points, not that bad. As you can see, I've really moved a lot. So what are my impressions in this game in general? So I made you just see the tutorial of the Weapon Master because I think it's the most representative way to showcase this game in a few minutes. And the game, I think that has very good graphics, not AAA graphics, but very good. I like them. I like the fantasy settings and such. Another thing that I liked is that maybe if you compare it with Box VR, another fitness game, it is more game and less serious training. So you move a lot, you do a lot of exercise, as you can see. But I found it more funny that Box VR that really seems like a serious training to me. So that's good. I played yesterday with my colleague here. We had really lots of fun because as you see, you have to move a lot. So it's funny to play it with other people and challenge them. It's something like, I think that as a party game is fantastic. You risk to destroy your room as I did before with the controller on the desk, but actually it's funny. So that's the good sides. Also, I like that there are different game modes like boxing, swords, shooting, and doing all in the same level is insane, and it's really good to play. Coming to the downsides instead, what can I say? I think that first of all, the choice of the levels for this demo, I'm not so sure that I agree with them with taking only these challenging levels. Maybe they should also have chosen some easier ones. So for instance, when I tried the boxing challenge the first time, after the tutorial, I really didn't know how to finish the level. I continued to jump, use the right hand, and it was not good. So maybe I would have chosen 2 levels for every mode. One a bit more introductory and the other really challenging. There are some little bugs, but it's normal. So that's not something that I will blame the developers for. And another problem may be that there are too many things. The Weapon Master is fun, it's great, but actually it's also crazy because you have to understand what to do, and so every time you have to not only take the things but also understand what is the right weapon, take it, destroy them. So you have to remember all the rules while you play, and this may take a while. So I think that people will appreciate this game after having played it for a few times. Too many mechanics. For instance, I've just been in an exhibition in China, I've written an article about it on my blog, and people had difficulty understanding our game that is just about punching in an exhibition. So I'm not so sure that this game, for instance, is good for an exhibition. Too many mechanics that you have to learn in too little time. But if you master it, if you like it, I think that's okay. It's even more challenging. There are some gaming rules, some fitness rules, so that's cool. So this is more or less my opinion on Viro Move. Maybe you want to say if I advise you to buy it or not. I say it depends, of course. If you like fitness games that maybe they're not even so simple, so not something that teaches you how to box, for instance, not something technical, but just a game that makes you move a lot, then I think that Viro Move can be fun because you can find different kinds of things to do. So it's not just one game, it's like 4 games in one. And also the playlist there that I've not shown you, where you can also choose some fitness lessons. So you have to say you can choose a fitness song of 5 minutes and you train for 5 minutes. So it's great to stay fit. You don't learn a sport, you don't make maybe the right movements because it's too fast. So you can't make the right, boxing movements. You have just to go there and kill stuff. But if this is okay for you, I think it's a good game. There are some things to be fixed, especially with the swords. Personally, I haven't liked them at all. Beat Saber swords are much better, but the game has potential. Otherwise, you want something more serious. There are games like Thrill of the Fight, there is Box War, etc., where you really learn better the movements. So it depends on your tastes. Viro Move will be out soon, so stay tuned for it. Also, stay tuned for our game when it will be out. It will be a competitor of Viro Move at the beginning since we launched Viveport, but follow the news on Hitmotion Reloaded on my blog. So I thank you for watching me and this mess behind me. Sorry for that. For playing this game. If you have some questions on Viro Move, you can contact me and I will try to give you an answer. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe to my channel and share it, and please also donate on Patreon. If you do all this, I will really love you. Thank you a lot for watching and have a nice day.